We've heard rumors of a born-again Toyota Supra since 2006. Toyota gave us a preview of the model with the FT1 concept introduced at the 2014 Detroit Auto Show, and it traveled to the 2019 edition of the event to finally introduce the production model. The 5th generation Toyota Supra shares its basic platform with the BMW Z4, but as you can tell, the two cars look nothing alike. The Z4 is only available as a convertible, and the Supra will only be offered as a coupe. Toyota resisted the urge to take the Supra in a retro direction. It certainly could have done so, it has the heritage to back it up, but it instead gave the model a very sleek, very modern design with a fastback-like roofline and a fairly big spoiler integrated into the trunk lid. It wears the typical long hood, short decklet proportions you would expect on a sporty coupe. It's also a fairly compact model. It's much smaller than it looks in photos. But while the Supra and the Z4 look nothing alike, the BMW genes are more evident when you pop the hood. Power comes from a 3-liter turbocharged straight-six engine that makes 335 horsepower. It spins the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Sorry purists, but at this stage it doesn't sound like there's going to be a manual transmission offered, but that could change later in the production run. Step inside to reveal a sporty cockpit with a pair of bucket seats, carbon fiber trim on the dashboard and on the center console, and a touchscreen-based infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay. The 2020 Toyota Supra will go on sale in the United States in the summer of 2019. Pricing information hasn't been revealed yet, but we know it's going to come in 2 trim levels called 3.0 and 3.0 Premium, respectively.